Welcome to the second tutorial of 3D modeling using Tekla Structures 2025. In this tutorial, we will learn how to adjust the grid lines manually and according to our model. Then we will add the main columns in Gables and Rafters. The warehouse dimensions are 38.5 meter in length and 20 meter in width. The maximum height of the warehouse is 9 meter, while the mezzanine floor is located at 5 meter height. To start creating grid line, go to Edit, Grid Tool, choose Create Rectangular Grid, and a rectangular grid automatically will be created. Now we want to adjust this one. First, you have to make sure that the select grid here at the bottom left corner is active. Then double click on the grid line. Here in the properties dialog box, you can enter your coordinates for the grid lines in X, Y, and Z direction. For example, in the X direction, we will enter here 0.00, and we have 7 span of 5.5 meter. So 7.5, and we are dealing in millimeters, so it will be 5,500. This is in millimeter. This is in X direction. In Y direction, it will be, and we have 20 meter in the Y direction, so it will be divided to 4 spans, each span 5 meter. So 4 by 5,000. In Z direction, we have, yes, 0, starting from 0, then 2,500. This is for stairs. Then 5,000. This is for the mezzanine floor. The column height is at 8,000. Then the maximum height at the maximum point of the rafter is 9,000. This is in Z direction. Here we can adjust the names. For the X direction, it will be A, B, C, D. If you want, you can change it. Put it 1, 2, 3, 4, but according to your request. Here we are going to make it A, B, C, D. If you put extra numbers, no problem. The software will understand or give a name until cover all the grid lines. Here in Y direction, we will give it 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 4. In the Z direction, we will give it based on the height, so we can distinguish between different heights. This is for mezzanine. This is for the column. And this is in the middle of the warehouse. Here in the line extension, this is referred to how much the grid line will extend beyond the intersection of horizontal and vertical grid lines. If you want, you can adjust it based on your request. It is about this distance from this point to this point. Here it is 2,000 millimeter. You can adjust it, make it 5,000. And here, as you can see, the origin is not at 0, 0. You can move it. You can adjust this one, make it 0. And this is make it 0. Then for the magnetic grid line, make sure to put it yes. Whenever you move the grid line, the drawn objects will move with the grid line. Select yes and modify. Now your grid lines are ready. And here you can see that we're still missing a name for one grid line, so you have to put it here 5. Modify. To start adding the columns of the warehouse, we will go to steel, pick the column, and here you can find in the properties dialog box all information about the column. Give it a name of main column and press the 3 dots at side, pick the section, go to HEA, pick HEA 400 and press OK. For the material, we select S 275. Apply OK. And here you can change the color based on your request. For example, we can pick this one. Adjust the part numbering as main column. Just give the abbreviation of MC. And here we will pick the rotation as front. For example, if I pick it top and start adding one and make the top level at 8000 millimeter, then pick this point to add your column. As you can see, this is not the rotation angle that I want. I want to change it. So select it and go here to the rotation, pick front and modify. Yes, I want it like this. Now we can take this one and make copy to the other intersection points using copy special. Go to edit, copy special, select linear, select pick from this point to this point. So you can see that it takes the distance in the x direction as 5500. Then you have to enter the number of columns that you want to add in the horizontal direction. We have to add here 7 copies and copy. Okay. Now your columns has been added. To add these columns to the other side, select all of them, then go to edit, copy special, mirror, and you want to take it here from this point to this point and copy. So your columns has been added to the other direction. One more thing I have to mention, that when you are making copy of the columns to the other side, you have to make sure that your work plan is parallel to the view. How you can do this? You have to go to view and pick work plan and choose the option parallel to view plan. And thereafter go to grid A from here. Adjust your work plan to be parallel to the current view. From view, work plan, parallel to view plan, pick point. You see, now it is parallel to your view. Then go to steel, beam, and here change the name to rafter. Press the 3 dots to select the section. Select as IBE 400. Change the material to is 275. Apply OK. And change the color to be this one. For the position, left, and this is front. Then start drawing your rafter from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. As you can see, this one is the correct one, but this one is not correct, so I have to select. I want it to be down. Yes. Now it is correct. Press Ctrl P to see in 3D. Go to the 3D view. Press Ctrl P. To make copy from the rafter to the other columns, just select this one and this one. Go to Plan View, Ctrl P, and adjust your work plan to be parallel to the view. Go to Edit, Copy Special, Linear, pick point, pick from this point to this point, So the distance is adjusted to 5,500. Put the number of cables as 7. And copy. Okay. Press Ctrl P to see how it looks like. To draw the end gable column, press Ctrl P, go to Steel, Column, enter here the name of the column as end gable. Press the three dots to change the section into IBE 240. Okay. Select the material type to be S275. Change the color and adjust the part number as 1 and the part number as EG1. Adjust the top elevation of the end gable to be 8,500. Then go here, press the Ctrl key, pick the middle point, go upward in a vertical direction, and type a distance of 6,500. Okay. Your end gable column has been located. Select this one, go to Edit, Copy Special, Mirror, pick this point from here to here, copy. Okay, it has been copied to the other side. Select the two end gable columns, this one and this one, then Edit, Copy Special, Mirror, pick this point to this point, copy. Okay, your end cables are copied to the right side. Press Ctrl P to see how it looks like. This part of the column inside the beam will be adjusted when we put the connections. If you like the video, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.